Hello friends, today we are going to make the most famous Lucknowi Gulaiti kebab. Gulaiti kebabs are famous for their softness. You will need 1 kg of mutton mince or keema with fats. We'll also need chickpeas flour or besan, raw papaya paste, cashew nuts or kaju, ghee, fried onions, salt, red chili powder, rose water, ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 to 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas, 4 to 5 cardamom seeds and 15 to 20 black pepper and 1 to 2 strands of javitri or mace. Here we will add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons into the mince, red chili powder 2 tablespoons, salt as per taste, and raw papaya paste 2 tablespoons. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. In a blender, add fried onions, cashew nuts, and whole spices. Grind it into a smooth paste. Now we will add smoke to the mince. Add half a teaspoon of ghee and cover it with a lid. Leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the charcoal bowl. Now we will add the fried onion and cashew nut paste, which is 3 tablespoons. Chickpeas flour or besan 2 tablespoons, and rose water 1 tablespoon. This is optional, but it gives a very sweet fragrance. 2 tablespoons of ghee, mix everything again for 5 to 8 minutes till it becomes soft. Make small balls and flatten them. You can use water to avoid stickiness. Freeze the kebabs for 10 minutes. Shallow fry the kebabs in oil or ghee on low flame. Turn and fry till done. Your soft and juicy Galauti kebabs are ready to be served with naan, kulchas or parathas.